Hi guys, hola, konnichiwa, guten tag, bonjour, greetings from Canada. In this video, you'll learn how to make 4 dreamy, cottagecore inspired, cat-themed sugar cookies using royal icing. First, I flooded this cute Plaque cookie with a medium thick pastel blue icing, a little bit looser consistency than toothpaste. I added white and pink dots and swirled them around with a scribe tool or a toothpick to make a simple impressionist roses. For the leaves, small green dots can be added and dragged into shape. Using a thick outline consistency, I added a looping crochet-like edge. I drew a few cat silhouettes on a piece of acetate plastic to create some icing transfer details. You can also print out designs online, place a piece of parchment paper on top, and then pipe icing on top of that. Once it's dry, add some icing to the back like glue and gently tap the details into place on the cookie. Now repeat the process using pastel pink icing. Using the same handful of icing colors for your set of cookies really helps it look cohesive and professional. It also means that you're not mixing dozens of piping bags, only about 4 to 10 bags, taking into account the different consistencies of the same color. Now for some pretty painted gingham pattern cookies. I first outlined and then flooded with a thinner consistency icing. Once the white was dry, I watered down some blue icing with clear liquor to paint soft stripes. If you want a more opaque stripe, you can use ash blue edible paint. Once dry, paint the stripes the opposite way, layering extra color where the lines cross. Icing transfers add pretty raised 3D effects to your details and some uniformity to your cookies. If freehand piping stresses you out, you may find you're less worried about messing up the final cookie using transfers. This final cat-shaped cookie is a nice way to bring the kitty cat theme and the rose pattern theme in the set all together. You could do blue, white, or pink. They look pretty and are fast to make because there's no outline. I used a medium thick flood to pull icing to the edges for a furry look without having the icing run over the sides. Repeat the pattern from the rose plaque cookies. There you go, 4 dreamy designs for cottagecore cat lovers. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Please leave me a comment below if you have any themes you'd like me to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you next time.